Well, we all have a lot of empty glass as well as plastic bottles lying around at our homes. So why not just transform them and create something beautiful out of them? So today I'm going to show you two ideas of DIY bottle art. For the first method, you would need a bottle, of course, a gesso or texture medium, sponge, acrylic colors, paint brushes, glue, wooden ice cream sticks, felt sheets and scissors. So let's see how I made this DIY bottle art. So for this I have taken a transparent plastic bottle and now I will be covering with some gesso or texture white medium. So just take some medium on a sponge and dab it over the bottle. In case you don't have the texture medium, you can also use some white acrylic paint as well. That also works fine. Now to decorate this bottle, I am going to use some ice cream sticks. So I have taken green, neutral and blue color of ice cream sticks as they go well with the color of my room. And then I have cut the blue and the green ones into half. You will notice that there is a vertical line which is the joint of the bottle. So I am going to start gluing these sticks from there. So first goes the neutral one, aligning it with the bottom of the bottle so that it stands easily. Next, in the bottom half I'm going to put a green stick and on the top half I'm going to put a blue stick. Half of the blue stick. Next goes a neutral stick. Then again I'll create a half pattern, but this time I'll put a blue stick at the bottom and a green one on the top. Again followed by a neutral stick. So this is basically the pattern that we have to create all around the bottle. So I'll quickly do that. You can use sticks of any color choice if you want. I'm using this because this matches my living room. So now that I have come to the end, so there is not much scope to put another stick over here, so I'm going to leave it as it is and use that as the back of the bottle. So this is how the pattern looks after all the sticks have been applied. And now to cover the joints of the blue and green sticks, I'm going to put a jute rope on top of it and conceal that. Now to decorate further, I'm going to use felt sheets of the same color theme to decorate this bottle. So I've cut out some flowers and leaves using some cookie cutters as a template. You can also use freehand drawing to make and cut these out. And now I'm going to paste the larger and the smaller ones together in contrasting colors. I also placed some mirrors at the center to make them look prettier. And now I'm going to stick these on the bottle. So first one goes on top, followed by a second one just below it. Then the third one, and at last the fourth one. And then I'm going to attach the leaves. You can make any pattern of your choice if you like. I am just showing you a template, how you can do it, and your first DIY bottle art is ready. Doesn't it look pretty? Now we're going to move on to make the second DIY bottle. For this you would again need a bottle, texture medium, sponge, acrylic colors, paint brush, glue, rice grains, acrylic varnish and some clay decorations, which is completely optional. Now just like we did for the plastic bottle, we are gonna dab and paint this glass bottle as well with the texture medium. To decorate this glass bottle, I'm gonna use some colored rice grains like light blue, dark green and light green. So I've colored these rice grains by mixing some acrylic colors with them. If required, add 2-3 drops of water, but if not, then just mix acrylic color in a bowl with the rice and you're done. I want to create an ombre or gradient effect with all the 4 colors on this bottle. So I'm going to kind of divide the bottle into 4 sections. Now that I've divided the bottle into 4 sections with the help of a marker, it's time to stick the rice So I'm going to take some Mod Podge of Fevicol on a plate, apply it on a brush and then on the bottle section wise so that it is easier for us to stick the rice. And then we're going to sprinkle the rice on the glue and press it lightly so that it sticks to the bottle. Now we're going to repeat this process for all the colors till we achieve the gradient effect. So I'm going to start. So I'm keeping the dark green at the bottom. On top of it goes the light green. On top of it goes the light blue, and on the topmost I'm placing the dark blue color. Now that the ombre effect has been created, this is just the first coat, so we need to let this dry overnight, and after that we're going to do a second coat. So now I've let this dry overnight and then I did a second coat on it, and then using the same acrylic colors I filled all the gaps that were showing up between the rice grains, and this is how the final bottle looks like. So you can keep it as it is, or you can decorate it further, by adding some accessories like flowers or bows or ribbons or anything of your own choice. So in my case I'm going to add a flower bouquet that I made with clay. You can also refer to my DIY fridge magnet video for some clay craft ideas. Now I'm going to stick this to the bottle with some glue. I absolutely love this one because this looks really pretty. Do let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Now the last step, which is an optional step, is to actually spray it with some acrylic varnish so that the shine is maintained. If you don't have acrylic varnish, you can also use transparent nail paint and then maintain the gloss. So here's the final look of both the bottles that we made today, the popsicle one as well as the rice grain art one. I hope you enjoyed watching both of these DIY todays, and if you did, then stay tuned because next Tuesday we're gonna come up with the part 2 of our bottle art series. Till then, hit the like button, comment and share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting DIYs. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications.